Hi, I'm Clarice from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division. Today we are at one of the most sought after district tent, Ming Teck Park. It is a corner terrace I'm showing to you with a planned area of 3639 square feet, 999 years. Shall we go inside and have a look? The car porch itself has got automated gate and you can actually park your car here, and if the gate is open you can park 2 cars. On the right actually you also can see there's a pool, and of course we are going into the main entrance. Before that there's a family area whereby you can actually spend your time in the daytime here. We also have a koi pond here, children will enjoy it. The living hall, as you can see, is actually a very square shaped living hall, so it's for you to actually place your furniture. The owner also have a powder room on the ground floor. The kitchen area, as you can see, is a very professional kitchen for anybody who loves to cook. This is a dining area where you can put probably a stand-sitter table and open up to the white greeneries whereby you get fresh air. Okay, now for the backyard, it's actually meant for your helper. You will also notice something that's a little bit different here, whereby they have a laundry chute. The laundry is really from upstairs, whereby it's very conveniently you throw in your probably bed sheets and things like that, and just throw down here, and then you can just put inside the washing machine. This is something very creative of the owner. Now we are going up to the second floor, whereby it's actually the master bedroom plus a study room. This is where you have your cupboards and things like that. And the other very interesting area is whereby you can see the shower area is opened up for very natural light to come in. And of course, 2 basins. This is actually a study room whereby actually it leads on to the master bedroom. This is a family area whereby it can be a TV room. Now, the other thing I want to show you just now, as I mentioned, is about the laundry chute. This is where you throw down your laundry. These are the other 2 rooms whereby perhaps for the children, or maybe it can use as a guest room. Okay, this is actually an attic whereby the owner created it for her 2 boys. So anyone with like a teenage kids or young kids will probably appreciate this, and they have their own privacy. And there's also a toilet inside here. Well, you probably can see the sky while you're doing your business. Thank you for spending the last few minutes with me exploring this beautiful house. Do call me for an exclusive viewing. And my name is Clarice again. In the meantime, stay safe.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.